Why should we hire you when we have applicants with more experience or better credentials? I possess very strong critical thinking and writing skills. And for this particular job, that is a very necessary skill set. So while I don't have, you know, 2 to 5 years experience of what's required, I possess the skills that are necessary for this job, and this is the dream job that I know that I'm meant to do, and will be a stepping stone for me as I progress through the legal industry. How do you think that you can contribute to this company? I believe I can contribute based off previous experience in paralegal work by really helping affect positive outcomes in cases. The goal for what our outcome in any particular case, be it family law, criminal, reduced sentences from the prosecutor, or changing custody, temporary orders, whatever the case may be. I understand what the process entails to achieve the desired outcome, and I genuinely enjoy seeing the case from beginning to end, and think that it's just such a cool, unique process to be involved in someone's life, and I understand the importance of that particular moment in their life and what you can offer to them. So I think that I would contribute greatly to the success in the turnover of the cases that your company gets. Tell me about a time when you solved a difficult problem. A couple weeks ago, we had a case that we were working on, emergency custody change, which very rarely happens in family law court. The father had received a notification from a caseworker for the Department of Family Protective Services that a call had been made about potential neglect and drug abuse in the home where his daughter was with her mother and her mother's current husband and other children. And the caseworker had initiated the case per the department's requirements. There were drug tests already done, and the mother had passed the drug tests, and the stipulations that the department was putting on the family, they were willing to do. So when that happens, a judge is even more unlikely to switch custody that would involve a drastic change in the child's circumstances, i.e. in this case, she would be moving to Corpus Christi to DeWitt County, having to change schools. So that's just not something that the family law courts are prone to doing in this particular set of circumstances. Well, the day before the temporary order hearing, I called the client to check in and, do the things we needed to do to prepare the file for the case. And he informed me about a call that he had received from a friend of a friend who was very familiar with the family and had pretty crucial information that could really, his testimony could impact the outcome of the case. And as it turned out, I called, I got last minute subpoenas issued, like within 12 hours of the hearing. And the guy shows up, his wife shows up, they testify, and it was a game-changing decision in the judge when he rendered the verdict over switching temporary primary custody to our client, taking it away from the mother. And it was a huge game changer. It was really exciting to be a part of that. It was exciting to know that my contribution really impacted the outcome, and I really just enjoy doing those kind of things. So I think that my critical thinking skills, my passion for this job, and my qualifications, though might be lacking, my skills really make up for that, and I would be a great fit for this job.